So I am not gonna go to my initial boondocking spot today, but maybe tomorrow or maybe the day after, because Bob, the volunteer I was talking to the water service, he told me of a boondocking area close to Yuma. So I want to go there today, and tomorrow go to Yuma and get the mini service, get an oil change. I always like to check in the camera that the Jeep is well hooked, that the wheels are turning. Looking good, looking good. Let's vámonos. I just arrived to the site and it's looking pretty good. Let me take you outside and show you. I'm going to investigate a little bit because I want to make sure that I am in the right place before I decide to stay or not. So I'm gonna go and look for signs. The 95 is right there. And here is the site. And I'm super well leveled. And there are a few rigs here. It's a very open space. And I see those rigs driving that way, so I imagine there are more sites over there, but I don't know how long I'm gonna stay here. Depends how, I don't know. I don't have a plan yet. There is some sort of a pond here. I don't think any swimming will happen, but it would be nice to come and look at the birds, maybe. Sign that I didn't see when I came in. What the heck all this trash? When I came in from, that's the 95, and I came in and I went straight up there, but maybe I needed to take this road because I see something over there. So the other road leads to this place. Or, yeah, I don't know. I'll keep looking. This bothers me so much. There's trash everywhere around here. I don't get it. Can you see this? These are all little alcohol bottles. There's beer bottles there. Wow. Maybe I should stay here. Look at this. I mean, there are bottles everywhere. El Paso Natural Gas Company. Look at this. What? Man. Oh. There's the Mini over there. I just don't want to hook yet until I know if I can stay here. So now I'm gonna go there and see where the road leads to. The Mini's right there, waiting for me. So I'm at the top of the road, and this is what I see. I guess there's more camping. Yes, I can go explore in the Jeep. I don't know. Interesting. I thought there was just some signs or something that would tell me to stay or not. So I am at the rice paddock. I asked my neighbors and they told me they have come here a few times. So I think I'm gonna set up camp. I'm gonna clean up my area and then set up camp and see how it goes. So it was really nice to see that my neighbors are older people and they seem very nice. They have flowers and a nice setup. I think it's a couple of families together, and they told me they have been here a few times. And my neighbor in front of me also has a quite nice rig, and it looks like all these people are very decent people. I don't understand the trash around here. So I am gonna hook and settle down and do some exploring. Look at this platform. It's the biggest fire pit in the world. I don't know what it is. It's all iron, very well built, with concrete and a hole. So cool. I wonder what it was. Oh my gosh, listen to this. They're having dinner. I have to brag. Look at this. How wonderful. I just love it. For tonight, I'm staying right here.